Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. We have Ford Explorer 2007, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The key keep coming out as soon as you put it in. It fell out, so I took it out and I read all the pins that is here, which is, as you see here, this is number 8 is the last one, and you count down all the way to 1, which is 8 cuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is one space here on the second line, and the cuts are, this is supposed to be number 8, so it's going to be 3, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 1, and the last one here, this is the last one. What happened is I try to put it back, it doesn't work, and there is a difference between how to take it out and put it in with the original one or with the dormant one. You see, like here it have only 2 places. This one here, the dormant, I bought it new from the AutoZone, if you want to buy it, and it comes with all the set, and the way of putting it is kind of different. I'm just going to try to, because I have the cuts here, I will try to rebuild this one correctly, and it have some kind of tools that you're going to put it in to take it. It come from here, so do not try to take this setup from the front. Okay, so we're going to try to, I'm going to try to build it. First of all, Ford have 5 cuts. The depth is from 1 to 5, and the company here make it so beautiful, easy. Let me try to open it and put them together. I almost cut my hand. If you're using a laser, be careful. So it's coming with a lot of difference. This is the way how you open it, how you read it, and what kind of it have all the instructions. Slowly you see how it go, all the way to how even you put it in. Okay, I'm just going to try to go through. If you have the key, we show you what is the cuts. Like here is the shoulder of the key, here is the tip of the key. Look here, this one is going from, you see, like old cylinder and new cylinder. This is where you put the key, and this is the tip of the key. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put, I already have it here, but I have it differently. I put it from the left to the right. So I'm going to put the tip of the key here. I'm going to put, okay, I'm going to put 3, this number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know, he gave me 7 here, but there is one space here, like very small space here, that there is a difference, but just say 3. This is the last one, 3, then 2, then 3, then 5, then 3, 2, 1. Okay, those are the tips that I took it out. So now I'm going to get the piece that I needed, which is this one here. But for me, I will just use the one that I put it in. And here you have, if you have number 5, you have 5, you have 4, and you have, I believe this is 3, and you have 2, you have 1. You can use the one you want it, and the rest you can leave it there. Don't forget that you have the springs. So each one, don't cut your hand, okay? Each tumbler, it will have a spring that return it back as soon as the key is out. So okay, now because I did one before here, I did one here already, I'm gonna just try to go with the one that I have it before. So this is the tip. So I'm gonna look for number 3, which is the last one here, number 3. Before you put the third one, you put the spring. So you're gonna put the spring here, It's a new one. And now I will look for number 3. Let me cut them. How many 3 I need? I need like 3 pieces of 3 3. So I'm gonna take 1, 2, the first one I tried to put it, I cannot put it, even though I cut the key good. 2, 3. Okay, those are the 3 that I may need it. So this is a number 8, because 8 cut, and then you go inside and put it in. I have the key here. If I put it in, you see, it's good. So now I'm gonna go to the next one, also get the spring. The next one is opposite side, the other side here. I will put this one, but this is the second. This is number, the pin depth is 2, which is this one. Dura Shell or what the company is. The company is Dura. Okay, Dormant. They made it very nice. Okay. Now I'm gonna look for the second one, which is a depths, 2 depths. 2 depths. How many? I have like 2 pieces. So I'm gonna put 1. Prepare them if you know the cuts. And the second one. This only idea, guys. When the tumbler go bad. So this is the second one. Take the key out. Put it here. Yes, it's go in. You see here. It's good. Now I'm gonna go to the other one. It's 3. Before we do anything, let's go get the spring. Get the spring and put it here. And now this is 3. Read it good. You see here, the pin is here. So I'm gonna put the third one here. Okay, this is third one. Now we're gonna go number 5. The depth is 5. Get number 5 here. And also look for your pin, your spring. Then pull it. Okay, this is 5 here. And I will cut this one. Get the 5 pieces here. This is number 5. Take the key out and go slowly. Good, I feel like it's gone. Now I have here, I get the 5 now, the third, number 3. So where is 3? Did I open 3? It's supposed to be here. This is 5. This is 5 too. This is second. This is 3. This is 3. But before you put the 3, get the spring. Load it. Take the key. Put the third one. Okay. Now I'm gonna put the key in, so I don't wanna let them fly. After 5, I have second 2. This one. Before I do anything, I gotta drop this. And okay. Now what I have now, this one is empty, but the last one I believe is 1. there's a space here. I'm gonna put the 1. It's like 7, so the last one is 1. I have it here. And now you can keep the rest to rebuild another key in the future, but it's better to build it. It's not expensive, and also you can have, you see what I did here? I did not put the spring. Okay, yes, so always try to be sure. Okay, I'm gonna put my spring. This is 1. Okay. See, now I am good. What you need to do next is, you see here, you cannot put it this way because you have to take the key out and try to put it this way, and putting it may not go well. So you have to use this piece here, which is coming like this. You see this piece, one side is big, one side is small. If you put here, you see here, this side, one side is wider. Okay. You see here, it doesn't go all the way in. So take this one here, you see, you need to be sure that this one touch here. So we're gonna leave this one. Before we go any crazy, we have something here. This is a grease. I'm gonna do it. Let me change now. Let me put the gloves. Stay with me. You see here, this is grease that you gotta put it in and try to, as much as you can, because you need this. Not through here, I believe through this. Okay, now because you cannot do anything there, you have one way to go. See here, that's the big one. Where is the big piece? Let's see now. Yeah, and see this one, you have a pin here. So what I'm going to do is I will try to put this like this. Let me take it out first. Okay. You see now? And I will go here through this. This is this piece here. Maybe I will not be able to do anything, but I put everything there. I don't know if I will be able to turn it or not. Yes, it turned. But be sure that when it turns to the place where the key can go. Okay, you see? Yes, now I believe it's in. I don't believe it's gonna come out anymore, because you have to put, now if you want to take it out, maybe you have to put this one, as you remember, and turn it to one direction or another direction to take it out. But I don't want to go through that. The only thing I know that I finish doing this correctly. And the key will not go out again. Now good. Here it have a spring from the ignition switch that will push it out. And now here everything is good. So what I need to do now, clean it out. and then you have to put, don't forget to put this piece. This piece here, you're gonna open it, and you have to put it based on the direction that it's gonna go. I'm gonna leave that one here. And the last thing that I have is to collect all this stuff, keep it in this one. Maybe we're gonna need it in the future. This is a part number door man, and I will leave a link in the bottom if you need to do one. As soon as your key start getting you trouble, please don't wait till everything messed up. I tried to rebuild the old one. Yes, it worked, but I'm not able to put it together. I don't know why. If you have any idea, you can give it to us, please. I really appreciate it. What I need to do is I will take the rest here, throw it away. They have a number also for question if you need any help for doorman product. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.